Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to create a border on Microsoft Word. It's pretty much easy for create or make a border on Microsoft Word. So let's get start our video. And guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please like and subscribe my channel. So first you need to open your Word application, then go to blank document file, and now if you want to make a border or insert a border, so for that you need to go insert option. There you can see on the top, go insert, and then there you can see a option text box. Just click it. Then lot of box or lot of border is showing here. You can select any border from here. I simply select simple text box, simple border I select. Then you can see this is your border. So now you can resize it like that and make it bigger, make it left, right, both side. So now guys, you can type something like that inside. You can type something inside the box or border. So guys, in this way you can create or you can make a border on Microsoft Word very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.